Welcome back on C-Square. In this video clip we're going to talk about some other basic skills, and let's take a look to the first problem. First problem is talking about a very important theorem, which is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. The sum of this interior angle is 180. So basically in our problem here we have this geometric equation: measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals 180. Okay, and now we're just gonna substitute the value, right? The measure of angle A is 36 degrees, the angle B is 123 degrees, and that's the thing we need to find out. The measure of angle C, right, equals 180. So now we're gonna add these two gentlemen. 36 plus 123 is what? 9. 159 plus the measure of angle C equals 180. And to find the measure of angle C, we're going to subtract 59 on both sides, and we get the measure of angle C, which will be 21 degrees. So that's this angle here is 21 degrees. Let's move to the next topic, which is kind of similar. We have a polygon now. This polygon here has 5 sides, and you see the theorem says here how to find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to, in this formula, n minus 2 times 180, I'm going to replace n with 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. They are not congruent, but just count them, right? So we have 5 minus 2 times 180, order of operation here, right? Times 180. That will give us 3 times 180, and that will be 540 degrees. The sum of the interior angle of this polygon of 5 sides is 540. And now we're going to write a similar equation of the previous problem. The only difference, we're going to have 5 angles, right? Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C plus measure of angle D, right? And one more, measure of angle E equals 540 degrees. And A is the one we need to find out. So let's have measure of angle A here. But B we're looking is 135 degrees. Okay, so just replace it. C is 120. 120 here, and now let's take a look to D. On D and E, whenever you see that box, that is, you write 90 degrees. Okay, so now similar to the previous problem, we're gonna add all those four numbers. So let's do it. 135 plus 120 plus 90 plus 90. Try to do it without calculator. That is 435, right, equals 540. And obviously the last step would be to subtract 435 degrees on both sides. And that will give us, what? 105 degrees. That is the measure of angle A here, 105 degrees. Okay. The next theorem we're going to look at, the next topic is about the exterior angle of a polygon. And look here, the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is 360. Very important theorem for polygons. So basically here you don't even have to draw the picture, just write what? 77 degrees plus 66 degrees plus 82 plus 62. These are 4 angles, right? And this polygon has 5 sides. So let's call the fifth angle X, okay, equals 360. So we're going to add 77 plus 66 plus 82 plus 62. The 4 given angles, that is to 87 plus X equals 360. And obviously the last step will be to subtract 287. And the fifth angle, which I call it X, is going to be how much? 360 minus 287, 73 degrees. This is the measure of the fifth angle. Exterior angle. Let's be sure these are exterior angle, all of them. Okay. Now the next topic, also on polygons, that is very important sometimes, is this one. The measure of an interior angle is calculated by using this wonderful formula. N minus 2 times 180 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So let's see this example here. We have a polygon with 12 sides. So let me write again the formula, right? And we're going to replace n with 12. So we're going to have 12 minus 2 times 180 divided by 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 times 180 divided by 12. Okay. Try to do this math without a calculator by simplifying eventually. And you should get 150 degrees. The measure of an interior angle of this polygon of 12 sides is 150 degrees. Yeah. So, a very interesting angle, right? On this last problem, I think, yeah, we have something that is very interesting. The same theorem, the measure of interior angle of polygon, interior angle of a polygon is what we did before. However, in this problem, we have the interior angle. The question is, can we find how many sides we have? So this is kind of a backwards problem. We're going to say 120 equals n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. And we need to solve here, so we're going to cross multiply, right? 120 times n equals 1 times all that expression, n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so we're going to have 120 n, distributive property here. We have 180 n minus 360. And here, yeah, I will subtract 180 even though we get a negative n on the other side, but I think it's the shortest way to do it. And we have negative 60 n equals negative 360, and divide by negative 60, right? And we get n equals 6. So this is a problem where the answer needs to make sense. What do I mean by that? You have to get what we call a natural number. 6, 7, 8, 5, 4. You cannot get the decimal, fraction, and negative numbers. Well, the good thing about this problem, we have a different way to do it. I want you to take a look down on the bottom to the other theorem. I'm going to erase the stuff. And this is wonderful. The sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360. Have we talked about that? Okay, in the previous problem. So the question here is, how can I use that? I'm looking to this angle. This is 120. This is an interior angle, right? I can find the exterior angle of this polygon by subtracting 120 from 180, yeah? An interior and exterior angle for any polygon, right? These two angles here, one is interior, one is exterior, they are supplementary. It's 60 degrees. So what? Very simple. You have to do only one step. 360 divided by this exterior angle, right? And you get 6. This is the shortest way, in fact, in my opinion, to do this problem. And you get the same number, n equals 6. The polygon for which the interior angle is 120 is a polygon of 6 sides. If you remember the name, that would be great. The name is hexagon, right? Thank you. And if you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button down right and come back on C-Square for more video clips.